everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another card share. And today's card share is for hashtag two crafters, one design, and that is where my friend and I will share something similar or what we have alike. So that hence hashtag two crafters, one design. So anyways, this is what I'm using this week, which is the Spellbinders cupcake die, and it's made by Miss Smith. I love this cupcake, love it. All right, so anyways, just gonna tell you a little bit about the card, and then Gloria can tell you what cupcake she has. But this is what I am using here. These dies here came from reverse confetti, so you can pick that up there. This die here came from My Creative Time. However, I don't think she has, I think this is a retired set that I used, as well as the stamp. And then everything else that you see here came from that cupcake die. So, and this is the only thing that's not shiny besides that white. I mean, it's shiny. I used that mirror cardstock this time. So don't want to blind you, but here goes the inside as well. And that one was the inside from that reverse confetti die. But I love how it turned out. Hopefully I can take a good picture of this. Seems like it's a little blurred right now. All right, hopefully I can take a good picture so you can see it a little better. But you know, mirrored cardstock and my phone, we'll see how it goes. But anyways, so that's what I created this week. Make sure you head over to Gloria's channel and check out what she has made. And you can try that hashtag. It may not be working quite right yet this week. We've been trying to work on it, but we might have to change the hashtag. And if so, we'll have a new hashtag and you'll see that. But as of right now, it's hashtag two crafters, one design. If you can't find her with the hashtag, make sure you use the link down below to her YouTube channel. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.